Yeah, okay.
Fuck yeah. Heath.
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 Heath's here. New spot.
New spot.
Exploring new fields and parameters.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. So I've just moved here. Just moved to the area. Did a little drive-by and found some sweet spots and thought I'll message Pinky and see if he wants to come and explore with me, and here we are. 3 good spots to check out. This is the first.
Let's rip some packs.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Second spot. Yeah, buddy. Fucking this is mint. Trees down there, playground, hut.
This one goes a little something like this. Going around fucking Browntown town, fucking around, fucking singing a bit. It's a pretty good town, mate. Sass mate come up to me and he says, "Wanna go fishing, Les?" And I said, "You know what, why not?" So we popped down the jetty, fucking hopped in the tinny, started up the cunt, and off we went. It was about noon. It was a fucking good day for it, mate.